These are keeled tree hoppers on sunflowers and their nymphs. I like to call them mohawk bugs. Maybe you can tell why from the one there in the background. They look like they have little mohawks. And then these are their nymphs also. Sometimes I call them mohawk babies, and other times I call them little alligator babies, because they do remind me of little alligators. Let's see if I can show you why. There you go. Wait, that was perfect. You see that baby right there, silhouetted against the dark? All the spikes, and then their little tails, stubby little tails, just remind me of stub-tailed little alligators if they were insects. Normally, you wouldn't see adults and babies together like this, but this summer, I've been seeing it all the time. I'm pretty sure that they're all siblings at different stages of growth, and these ones just happen to all become adults around the same time, and the rest are playing catch up. Where you going, little buddy? Mohawk bugs, but they're really tree hoppers. Keeled tree hoppers. And they come in lots of different colors, and the females have that first squarish spike, because the head is facing up on the one that you can see the shadow. The females have a larger one than the males. I think that might be a female there. Oops. Pretty sure there's a few females and just a couple males. I believe that one right there is a male. Oops. The one right there between the nymph to the right and the grouping of adults to the left. Because as you can tell from the one in the back left, this one right here closest to us, its little squarish mohawk before the round dip isn't as big as this one in the back. The one with the big ones are the girls.